Very warm welcome to all of you. We are going to start with the chapter number 16, that is major crops and the case study. In the previous chapter, we have understood about the different type of vegetations which are prevailing in this world. And now by this chapter, we are going to understand about the major type of crops which are grown on the field, and we are going to compare the country. So let's start. So before starting up with the chapter, with the first topic, we need to understand what does actually the crops mean. Crops suited to different environmental conditions are cultivated under the various type of agriculture. So means हम different क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न्स को यूज़ करके different type of crops उगा सकते हैं according to the different environmental conditions prevailing. हम उनके बारे में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे अबाउट ईच ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप. बट राइट नाउ वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप्स कि किस किस तरीके के डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स होते हैं. सो फर्स्टली माई क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज अ क्रॉप. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट. अ क्रॉप इज any cultivated plant, fungus or algae that is harvested for food, clothing, livestock fodder, biofuel medicines और other uses. So हम सिर्फ क्रॉप को सिर्फ खाने के पर्पज़ से यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. It can also be used for clothing, it is also be used for fodder or making medicines. So that is why we cannot say that crop is the only thing which can be used or cultivated for eating purpose. Now let's see the classification that how we can divide the crops. So crops is majorly divided into 4 groups: food crops, cash crops, beverages crops and the fiber crops. So firstly we are going to see the food crops. As the name suggests, the food crops are any plants intentionally grown with the primary purpose of being eaten by humans और animals. So food crops कौन से हो गए जो हम खाने के पर्पज़ से ही उगाते हैं. So इसमें आप एग्जाम्पल्स ले सकते हो लाइक wheat, rice, maize, pulses, oil seeds, spices, right, or vegetables, fruits, all that comes under food crops. Now let's see what are the cash crops. A cash crop is an agricultural crop which is grown for self to return a profit. बेटा ये बात आपको समझनी होगी कि जो कैश क्रॉप है वो बेसिकली कमर्शलाइजेशन के लिए या प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए उगाया जाता है. इट कैन बी eaten product, it can be non eaten product, but basically हम उसको हम essential usage में नहीं मानेंगे. हम उनको ज़्यादातर privileges uses में मानते हैं या जो हमारे luxury purpose के लिए यूज़ होते हैं और जो basically subsistence के लिए काम नहीं आते, मीन्स self consumption के लिए यूज़ नहीं होता. that is only for gaining profit out of it. For example, you can say sugarcane. Sugarcane is one of the cash crop which are grown. Beverages crops. अब ये beverages का मतलब क्या होता है. So beverages means which you can drink. A type of drink is considered as beverages. Beverages में आपके juice, coffee, tea, water, alcohol, all sort of drinkable items are called beverages. So beverages crops which can be used for drinking purpose, grown for the drinking purpose, like tea, coffee, right. So these are the beverages crops. Coming to the next type of crop, that is the fiber crop. Now what is the fiber crop? Crop which are grown for their fiber. These are used in making textile, ropes and rugs. सो जिससे हमें फ़ाइबर मिलता है, जिससे हमारे कपड़े बनते हैं या सॉर्ट ऑफ क्लोथिंग होती है, रोप्स बनते हैं, रग्स बनते हैं. सो ऑल दैट मटीरियल विच आर ग्रोन फॉर सच यूसेज इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज फाइबर क्रॉप्स. और इसमें कौन कौन से आ जाएंगे? बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल्स कॉटन, जूट, राइट. सो दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ द फाइबर क्रॉप्स. I hope this much is clear in your mind? This is what you need to understand and mark all the examples, learn all the examples for it. Thank you so much.